Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company is specialized in the commercial diesel parts. Today I will show you our hot-selling valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly is this kind of blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt's brand. And the product code of this valve assembly is F00RJ01704. For this kind of the logo, label, packages, etc., we can support a customized service. So, any demand, please feel free to contact us. Then let's check the inside. Instead of it, it's this kind of transparent bottles can be better prevent some hurt during the translation. And the inside is one layer of oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers if you're not satisfied with the quality, return or exchange, so you have the quality guaranteed and no worries. Take a look for this valve assembly. This one apply cable for 04451201110 and 04451201120. And for this one, apply cable for vehicle coils for GEZ and MTZ, etc. On the valve cap, you can see here, there is the coating figures. And this is the valve rod. If you want to clean the whole valve assembly, please clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? So much for this one, and last, thank you for watching. See you next time. Please focus on our channel and feel free to contact us. See you next time. Bye.